Michael from Masseuse Massage Chairs. I've got the brand new Physio Plus massage chair here with me today. I'm going to show you how to put it together. Actually, before I do that, I was going to change my shirt so that I didn't have a black shirt on in every video. Give me a second. Alright, that's better. Now, first thing to do is take the box away and all the packaging. I've got someone here that can help me with a spare set of hands. It does make it a little bit easier. Thank you. So as you can see, there was a lot of packaging on there. We want to make sure that it arrives in your home in the exact same quality it did when it left the factory. A few more things to go here. Remote control, power board, power cord, leg unit, I always like to connect the chair, incline it so it's up straight, and move it off the box before I finish assembling it. In order to do that, I've plugged the chair in, and then I'll need to plug in the remote control so I can instruct the chair to sit back up straight. Alright, so all the heavy lifting's done, packaging's out the way, chair's ready to have its leg unit assembled. Very straightforward. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So first thing to do is get this little Allen key that was in the packaging and just undo here. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. That releases these guys on each side. Once you've loosened that, this little white washer goes on the inside here, and this guy goes on the inside, so do that to both sides. And then, so the next thing to do is remove this wire here. That's just there to keep the hose in place for you while it's traveling. Then you connect this guy. And then your air hose. Like so. Alright, so then you want to tuck these back in here and connect both sides. Like so. And then just simply tighten those Allen screws again. That's it, that's the hard work done. This Velcro, you want to connect back in here. Like so. So this is the remote control pouch. Basically it just sits on the Velcro under here, so your remote control stays handy. The last thing to do is connect the remote controller again, power the chair up, sit back and enjoy all of its amazing features. Have a fantastic day.